Welcome to my Minute Channel 1. In this video, I'm going to give you some very useful tips and tricks for how to build body muscles. I'm a fitness model and a coach. I've been in the gym for over 10 years and I've learned a lot of things that helped me build my body. So in this video, I will share with you some of them. First thing that you need to know is that when you want to build muscle, you need to start with the basic exercises. What I mean by that, start with the fundamental exercises like squats, deadlifts, bench press, overhead press, and rows. These are the best exercises to build overall muscle in your body, and you should start with these exercises before moving on to more isolation exercises. The second thing that you need to know is that you should focus on progressively increasing the weight load. To build muscle, you need to overload your body. This means that you need to lift heavy weights in order to break down your muscle fibers and stimulate them to grow back stronger. One way to do this is by increasing the weight load that you lift over time. You can use a variety of methods to increase the weight load, such as adding more weight to the bar or using a weighted vest. By progressively increasing the weight load, you will overload your muscles and stimulate them to grow. Another very important thing to keep in mind is that you need to make sure that you are eating enough protein. Protein is essential for building muscle because it provides the raw materials that your body needs to repair and build new muscle tissue. Make sure that you are getting at least 0.8 grams of protein per pound of body weight per day. You can get protein from a variety of sources including meat, poultry, fish, eggs, dairy products, and plant-based sources such as beans, lentils, and tofu. The fourth tip is to make sure that you get enough sleep. Sleep is essential for muscle growth because it allows your body to recover and rebuild muscle tissue. Most people need 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. So make sure that you are getting enough sleep in order to allow your body to recover and grow. So these were some of the most important tips for how to build muscle. If you are consistent with your training and your diet, you will see results over time. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. It takes time and consistency to build muscle. So just stick to your plan, and you will eventually reach your goals. If you have any questions about how to build muscle, please leave a comment below. I will try my best to answer all of your questions. Also, if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching.